You know, for a while now, aircraft manufacturers have been following the lead of the automotive industry when it comes to interior design. And there's a sharp focus on modern interior. That's got to be rugged. It's got to look good too. Textron Aviation is here at AirVenture 2023 with a brand new Skyhawk sporting a completely redesigned interior. It's made for flight schools that need a rugged interior. It's made for maintenance folks that have to take these things apart, put them back together. And it's also made for pilots who want a comfortable interior that's both functional and capable. To tell us about it, let's talk to Textron Aviation's Chris Crow.
Good morning. I'm Chris Crow, Vice President of Sales for Piston Aircraft at Textron Aviation. We're here at 2023 AirVenture, and I'm super excited to unveil the new interiors for our piston high-wing aircraft. Behind me is the 172 Skyhawk, and I'm going to share with you a list of the upgrades that we did. We did these upgrades based on our feedback from our customers. We had a customer advisory board that we've been working with for over 2 years. We brought them in, we discussed what's the needs of you as a consumer. What do you want to see in these airplanes? So we're able to bring some styling, some conveniences, things like new seats with modern stitching, easy access maintenance panels, powered headset plugs and charging stations at every seat, new contoured stitching in the seats, a black sleek instrument panel, new knobs, new air vents. Everything inside is redesigned for the consumer based on your feedback. So specifically for the 172, our customer advisory board consisted of some fleet operators, some owner operators, as well as some maintenance technicians. So we listened to them about, what do you need out of the airplane? One of the big things for maintenance was we've got to take these panels off. So how can we do that more easily? So we replaced all of our tiny PK screws with these Allen wrench screws. The ability for them to remove quickly these panels and have less downtime for the airplanes. With this redesign, we really had the flight schools in mind. It's a little bit more of a durability within the aircraft. What you'll see in the 182 and the 206 is inspired by this. You'll still see the modern sleek look with the embroidered model number, some different kind of contour stitching, but it has a little bit more comfort for the owner operators. This current airplane is our Scout aircraft. What we do is about 9 months or so before we roll this into production, we put one into the production line and we start fitting these panels. So we're working to make sure that we have the best fit and finish for you when we do deliver these aircraft. So we're excited that these should be hitting the market sometime in 2024. We're still working through the process and we're going to deliver you a great quality airplane.